Explore your knowledge with the Botnica.
So our new topic is use of nanotechnology in nutrient delivery. So before we dealing with its use in nutrient delivery, we have to know that what is nanotechnology. So friends, uh, nano meaning very small, and it comes from Greek word nanos meaning dwarf. Simply, it is a small particles. Nano means small. The American physicist Richard Feynman is considered the father of nanotechnology. The American physicist named as Richard Feynman is considered as father of nanotechnology. The nanotechnology, simply, it is a branch of science which deals with manipulating the matter at nanoscale, which is size in between 1 to 100 nanometer. Manipulating means to synthesize the particles having size in between 1 to 100 nanometers. These particles having particular properties. Generally, the nanotechnology deals with the developing the material, devices or the structures from the particles having size in between 1 to 100 nanometers. This is about the introductory part related to the nanotechnology. Next topic is nanoparticles. So what is the nanoparticles? As we see in the nanoparticles is the particle of the matter having size smaller than 100 nanometers or in between 1 to 100 nanometers. There are two different types of nanoparticles. First one is organic nanoparticles and second one is inorganic nanoparticles. The examples of organic nanoparticles are polymeric nanoparticles, polymersomes, and dendrimer nanoparticles, nanostructured lipid carrier, solid lipid nanoparticles, liposomes, nanoemulsion. These are some examples of organic nanoparticles. Next is inorganic nanoparticles. These are silver nanoparticles, in iron oxide nanoparticles, golden nanoparticles, calcium phosphate nanoparticles, quantum dots, and mesophorous nanoparticles. Okay, these are the types of the nanoparticles having various uses in industries. In agricultural industries, these nanoparticles are used to synthesize the pesticides. Also, it used in scientific or physical studies uh, such as quantum dots. As use, there are various kind of uses of these quantum dots in physics. Okay. Next is our main point, that is application of nanotechnology in nutrient delivery. You can see on in this diagram, these are flow chart which shows the various uses of nanotechnology in agricultural sector or indirectly in nutrient delivery. The function of nanotechnology in agriculture is it improve the crop, improve uh, it improve the crop. Also play role in a crop protection by using various type of nanopesticides. It help in protection, crop protection. Also, this functioned as stress tolerance. We know that there are various types of stress which oppose to the growth of plant, or which suitable for the growth of plant, that is abiotic stress, biotic stress. So nanoparticles are also function here uh, to maintaining this stress, such as sun rays, the salinity, UV stress. Okay. Next is soil enhancement. It also increase the structure or fertility of the soil. By using the nano fertilizers, it helpful in increasing the fertility and structure of the soil. Also, nanoparticles help in plant growth. Nano fertilizers are used to increase the plant growth. Also, it increase the yield of the plant. It gives the better results. These are some application of nanotechnology in nutrient delivery. Also, it facilitates the plant fight with abiotic and biotic factor by providing balanced nutrition. It helps in maintaining soil fertility. As we see, nanoparticles directly interact with a transport system such as xylem or phloem. These are transport vascular bundles, means transport system. Then these nanoparticles are directly interact with transport system. It reduces nutrient runoff in a flowing water. We see that when we use the normal fertilizers or chemical fertilizers, the nutrients are run off in a water. So these nanoparticles are hold on to these nutrients. It works slow but providing consistent delivery of nutrient to the plant, which increase the plant growth. These nanopesticides or these nanoparticles, when we use in plant nutrient delivery, they show the slow result, but it increase the plant growth. It increase 3 times more nutrient use. So this is the nanoparticles. Okay, this is the nanoparticles, and this is the active substances. When we insert inside to when we insert this active substance inside these nanoparticles, and from these nanoparticles we synthesize the pesticides. Sorry, we synthesize the pesticides, and when these pesticides are applied to the plant or providing to the plant, then there is a increase in nutrient absorbability. Also, it increase the texture of the soil, is increase the stress tolerance of the plant, is improve the crop yield and health. The nanoparticles are work in this way. As we see in the diagram, these are the active compounds, which active substances which we encapsulated in these nanoparticles, and these nanoparticles through the nanopesticides applied to the plant. Then it these are the functions performed by these nanoparticles in the when it degraded in the soil. Now this topic of use of nanotechnology nutrient delivery over. Thank you.